In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make comments in Adobe Acrobat Reader. This is a valuable skill, especially for those who frequently work with PDFs and need to provide feedback or suggestions directly on the document. Adding comments can make collaboration much smoother, whether you're reviewing a contract, editing a manuscript, or annotating an academic paper. So let's dive into the process step by step, making sure you can follow along with ease. First, you'll need to launch Adobe Acrobat Reader. It's important you have it installed on your device. If you haven't yet installed it, be sure to download it from the Adobe website and install it according to the instructions provided. Once you have it, open the application by double-clicking the icon on your desktop, or if you're on a Mac, find it in your Applications folder. Next, you need to open the PDF you want to annotate. You can do this by clicking on File in the top menu bar, then selecting Open and browsing through your files to find the particular PDF you wish to comment on. Alternatively, if the file is visible on your desktop, you can simply drag and drop it into the window of Adobe Acrobat Reader. Once your PDF is open, you'll notice a floating toolbar towards the top of the screen. Here, you need to locate and click on the Add Comment button. This feature is particularly handy, as it gathers all the tools you'll need in one convenient location. Clicking this button will open up a whole range of options for commenting. After clicking Add Comment, the next step is choosing what type of comment you want to make. Acrobat Reader offers various types of comments, including sticky notes, highlights, and even drawing tools like lines and shapes. Sticky notes are great for adding text comments, highlights are useful for drawing attention to specific parts of the text, and drawing tools allow you to make more visual comments and annotations. With your comment type selected, go ahead and add your comments to the PDF. Just click where you want to insert a sticky note, highlight text, or draw. It's as simple as that. Ensure that your comments are clear and concise. This will help others understand your feedback more easily. If you need to edit or delete any comments after adding them, you can do this by simply clicking on the comment to select it. You can then edit the text in a sticky note or delete a comment altogether by right-clicking and selecting Delete. Lastly, once you're happy with your comments, remember to save your PDF. You can do this by clicking File and then Save to ensure all your hard work is stored in the document. And there you have it. You've successfully added comments to a PDF using Adobe Acrobat Reader. Keep practicing, and in no time, this process will become second nature. Thank you for watching, and happy commenting.